can't wait to go there.
I know it's going to be so much
Hey,
fun.
everybody. This is Karen Caig from Reiki Institute here with my dear friend, Kathy Milanowski.
Hello.
And we're super excited to pop on here and talk to you a little more about the retreat that we've been planning. And we're going to share a little bit more of the juicy details because people have said, so exactly what are we going to do there? It's going to be wonderful. It's July. So I know we're planning this early, but if you don't plan your self-care, you won't get your self-care. So it's July 6th through the 9th, the week right after 4th of July. So I'm sure you'll need to recover from that. And I wanted Kathy to tell you a little bit about like why we are doing this retreat, how this came about. So you'll understand, they'll give you a foundation of like what we're going to do. You'll understand why are we doing it. So tell us, Kathy.
Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. My name is Kathy Milanowski, if you don't know me, and I'm in Deerfield, Wisconsin. And about 8 years ago, I moved from Seattle, Washington area to Deerfield and set up a wellness center. And I started teaching metaphysical arts, mainly Reiki. And that's how I actually met Karen, through Reiki. And throughout that time, I was always guided to co-create a retreat and a retreat environment to help others rejuvenate, empower them, support them, give them tools and techniques for them to grow and to help empower their life and your steps on life. So it's always a metaphysical twist to me. So you'll get a lot of different metaphysical things. You don't have to be a Reiki practitioner or work in the metaphysical arts or be spiritual or anything like that. But you will get some of that, and it will be cultivated in the space that we're having. And we're only limiting it to 25 people. And so we have a couple options. We have single room capacity. We have double room and triple room. And with the double room and triple room, since you're sharing a room with somebody, you get to split the cost, and that's why it's cheaper. And Karen will be talking about the special that we're going to be having till May to help with the people that have a little bit of income problems and they still want to have a nice retreat, in the atmosphere. So, Karen,
yeah,
we're coming about
we're coming like 2 years off of a pandemic. Hopefully we are. And, money's tight for a lot of people, but this is the time that we really need that. So we wanted to provide options, for people, something that's affordable. And this is inclusive. So our early bird pricing it's $450. So that's for a triple occupancy room. But guys, that includes your lodging, your meals, your snacks, the workshops we're going to do, the supplies for the craft projects that we're going to do, the supplies for the spa projects that we're going to have, and also a gift bag. So it's super affordable. And the two big things that I'm the most excited about are so when you arrive on Wednesday evening, we're going to have an opening ceremony. That's going to be amazing. We'll have snacks and, get to start getting to know each other. And then Thursday, the main focus is going to be on a Despacho ceremony, which is something that helps bring you back into balance. And so it's really kind of a craft project that will take you deeper into yourself, because this is about healing and balancing yourself. And then we'll have a ceremony at the end of the day where we incorporate what we have created that day. So that's Thursday. We also have Kathy will tell us about some of the nature walks and stuff. I haven't been there yet. She has. She checked it all out before we got the venue. But then on Friday, we are going to do a mini workshop on human design, which, if you're not familiar with it, it helps you understand yourself on a deep level. And it's how Kathy and I started working together so much, because we realized that she's one type, I'm another type, and we're not going to go really deep into it because it's a super complicated system, but just leaving the retreat knowing what your type, what your authority is. We're asking for your date of birth, time of birth, so that we can give you your human design chart, and then we'll be able to talk about it during that short workshop. And you'll leave the retreat with a deeper understanding of yourself and how you function, how you show up in the world, and how you can work with less stress. So that'll be really helpful. And
And
we
it's
also
the
have,
time of Aquarius, right?
oh yes,
Karen's
yes
always
it
been
is.
telling me it's
So,
working together, co-creating together, and to help empower you. Yeah.
yeah, and we're going to have lots of other things, you know, like just to relax. Like I said, the spa things. Kathy, tell us about some of the other things like that
So
we're going to do.
I'm really excited, Karen, through our whole agenda, which you could get on WisconsinReiki.com. You could get the agenda, you could get the maps and different things that are available in the area if you want to stay a little longer. But I'm excited about the trails. I've already walked a couple trails. It is 548-acre trails right along with the Governor Dodge forest. So there is camping in the forest and things like that. It is. I am just every morning we'll have opportunity if you want to walk on a trail. If you don't, that's fine too. You can relax and just set in the space and do whatever you want to do. You know, it's time to relax and rejuvenate yourself.
Tell them a little bit about the party.
I
You know,
know. And
yeah,
so
the party on Friday night's going to
yeah,
be
Friday night we're having God Goddess party. And before we send you some emails about after you register, we're going to give you a God or a Goddess card. And it will tell you a little bit about that God and Goddess card. And we're going to actually represent them. You could do it at your own comfort level. So if you want to dress up and have things and adorn yourself through the whole evening, we're going to eat and we're going to pretend that we're their goddess. You know, whatever your comfortable level is. If you just want to just relax and just talk about it, yeah, we're going to guess throughout the process. So it's just something fun, something creative. We've known each other for a couple days now, and to relax, and we'll get you up there at that comfort level. So that Friday night we're just jamming.
Yeah, because it's going to be a lot about releasing a lot of stuff that you need to let go of. And so we will have some Reiki meditations. We're going to have some sound healing, some crystal singing bowls, maybe.
Yeah, bring some of those.
Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of just beautiful experiences, and it's not gonna be high pressure like here you've got like this talk to go to and this lecture, and you know, it's gonna be a rest, relax, reconnect with yourself, reconnect with other people, bring some friends, you know, those triple rooms, that would be a perfect like girlfriends weekend. You know, get two of your friends and sign up together and stay in the same room. And, you know, it's going to be really relaxed. And we wanted to do something to help you replenish your spirit.
Yeah.
So
there's a lot of spa times. Like we're going to do maybe facials, pedicures, you know, all these
oil and massages. Yeah.
Teach different ways to do things. You know, I'm sure we'll have some psychic people in the mix and might do some readings if they feel like or whatever. Yeah. It's just a community kind of thing, and to help ourselves. You know, some people might be more an introvert and might want to go into a room a little longer or walk around in the trails or something like that.
Right. So whatever you need. So
whatever you need. Yeah. The meals are awesome. There's a great nutritionist on the staff. They will do vegetarian. They will do gluten-free. They will do different dietary things. And also if you want to eat meat, you know, I mean, they can provide it all, they said. And so we get all these meals. It is
I mean, really the price, you can't beat the price. So of course you got to get there. And this is in Dodgeville, Wisconsin, which is sort of it's in rural Wisconsin. I've already got y'all. Go ahead and sign up as soon as you can. I'm going to go ahead and tell you. I live in Arkansas, and I was able to get an airplane ticket for $337.
Yeah.
So
it's great.
I mean, that's cheap.
And if you stay a couple days before or after, I have it on the website, other attractions. Downtown Madison, you might want to fly in Milwaukee or Madison area. Downtown Madison is absolutely fantastic. It is a very liberal city. The state capital's there. And right by the state capitol is this place called State Street. And I'm going to take Karen there. It's a pedestrian-free zone. So that means there's no cars on this street. And there's restaurants and shops and entertainment.
Music, you said maybe?
Music outside. There's all different kind of things. So it's kind of nice. It's fun. And actually when you drive from Madison to the retreat, you're going to go past the exits and they're going to say Cave of the Mounds. And the Cave of the Mounds is absolutely fantastic. It is beautiful. I want to take Karen there too. And you go into these caves and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely over 1 million years old. And the energy
Did you say
in there.
there's sacred mounds there?
There's
too?
sacred mounds there,
Really
even
good
by
there.
my house, Karen. So there's sacred mounds all over Madison and the area, and it's just they have stories to them. So it's just absolutely beautiful. Over in the area, it's called the House on the Rock. It's by in 1960, Alec Jordan opened a dream house and built a chimney of rock all over the. It's just. If you look it up, I got there. That's an interesting place, I gotta say. That will take a whole day just going through this property and house and just different things on there. If you come earlier and you're like, I'm a camper, oh my goodness, we're gonna go out in the forest. Governor State Dodge Park's right there. You could camp there a couple days after or before, you know. So there's a lot of things, Karen. I mean, just a lot of things in the area. Not including like Milwaukee, it's a little further away. If you love water, the Dells. The Dells, Wisconsin Dells is I think it's the largest water area park in the United States. I mean, it's just so.
Oh yeah, you were telling me about that.
Yeah. So there's spas there and water things and entertainment and stuff like that. So for those kind of entertainment stuff.
So I mean, you could even combine it with your family vacation. You know, if you wanted to like come spend a couple of days with on a more spiritual, metaphysical, self-rejuvenating retreat, and let your partner and the kids run around for a while, then come back together and do some other stuff.
Yeah, that's a really good idea.
Whatever you want to do, but it's going to be amazing. And again, the dates are July 6th through the 9th, all inclusive except your transportation to get there. And we look forward to meeting you and having fun. Kathy and I are a lot of fun.
Yep, that's for sure. So if you want to register, just go on www.wisconsinreiki.com and you'll see 2022 retreat, and right there it will follow you right through the steps. After you register, we'll be sending out an email in about a month just to start working on the process. And if you do not have a roommate, do not worry. You can send, you want to be triple occupancy, but you don't have a roommate, and we will fix you up with a roommate. We'll have a little, aren't we going to have like a little?
Yeah, well, we had a questionnaire that we used we organized the licensed Reiki master teacher retreat at William Rand's house in Hawaii. And we made a little questionnaire to figure out, like, do you like to sleep when it's cold, or you like to sleep when it's quiet, or, so we have a little questionnaire that we can, try to match people up. That would do well as roommates. So we can do that and let the universe do its magic. You might come away from this retreat with a new best friend. Who knows?
Exactly. So thank you all so very much for joining us. If you have any questions, let us know. Reach out to us. And you can reach out to both of us through that link that I gave you. So have a wonderful day.
If you have any comments or questions, we're going to post this. I know this is live on Facebook. We're going to post it on YouTube as well. So if you have any questions, just reach out to us or post in the comments. Thanks.
Thank you.